So we're just going to give you a quick demonstration of our sneaker cleaner to show you exactly how effective that is on these. As you can see, we've already cleaned the fronts here partially, but all the sides and everything else are actually not done, as you can clearly see. This is all very, very dirty, but the front here is nice and sparkling white, but again, all around here you can see it's dirty. And we're just going to show you exactly how effective that is to clean this up and, you know, give it a good clean and brush. So simply spray on your sneaker cleaner onto your trainers, if that's what you want to call them, and just gently rub away with a brush to remove all dirt, grease and grime. And this is going to really revitalize your sneakers and make all the white really nice and white again. It is a phenomenal product for deep cleaning, you know, your trainers and getting them really nice and clean. And that's exactly what you want. I mean, just look at the difference there on those that are really years old of dirt and grime. Just look at that difference there straight away. You know, that is just remarkable how that looks. It's phenomenal. And we can see there the back, and we're going to show you that close up with all the dirt and grime on there. Look, you can see exactly what that's like. We'll now give it a quick spray, and then we're going to give that a bit of a scrub to get that nice and clean, and we can get all that cleaned up as well. So give it a really nice good scrub. You don't have to press hard with your scrubbing. It's just a gentle scrub going around, but you can see the amazing difference there. If it wants a second go, just hit it again with the cleaner. You can see all the dirt running down there. These are going to look absolutely amazing when they're done, and almost like a brand new pair of trainers again, apart from, you know, any scuffs and damage that they've got on them, which is one of the next sort of things that we can sort out on them. I mean, just look at that. What a remarkable difference there with them. They've come up like new with the sneaker cleaner. So we're going to go around to this side and we can get that sorted out on here as well. Let's give them another good scrub to get them all cleaned and remove all the dirt and grease and grime on here and get that done. It's got a little bit of damage down here. Some of it's a bit of dirt and grime, but the majority of it is like a bit of colour loss. But the key to this is just giving them a good scrub, getting all the dirt and grime off them, giving them a wipe over, and just look at that. What a remarkable difference there. It's like brand new pair of sneakers again, and now that looks absolutely phenomenal compared to what they look. Look at that, how much brighter that is all the way around them. They look absolutely fantastic. They literally look like a brand new pair of sneakers, and they just look amazing. Could probably do with cleaning that little area there just a little bit further. So give it another hit with the cleaner. Give it a bit of a scrub again to get into the grain of the leather on these. Another scrub, and look at that. What an amazing difference there. They literally are like brand new. That is amazing. Look at that. It's like brand new. Come up like brand new all the way around. Phenomenal. Next process is to restore all the colour. So that is the sneaker cleaner. Thank you very much.